Hey everybody! I'm here today with a simple driving lesson on signaling in a roundabout. When you want to signal at a roundabout, a lot of people are confused with which way to signal. But the easiest way is to think about it as just a regular intersection. So as you can see right here, I've drawn just an example of a standard roundabout. This roundabout just has, one internal lane over here, and obviously we're going to be driving on the right hand side of the road in this example. So basically think about it as a regular intersection. Okay, if you wanted to turn right, you would signal right. So this is what would happen if you wanted to turn right. You would approach the intersection, potentially you would stop if there was a stop sign, you would signal right, and then you would go like that. So you just signal right and drive right. You approach the intersection, signal right, and drive right. Very simple and straightforward. If you wanted to go straight, you would approach the intersection, you would not signal, and this is where people go wrong, I'll explain it in a moment, but you would not signal, you'd go around, and then you'd go straight out that way right there, okay? So basically, once again, you're approaching the intersection, you're going around, and you're going straight out that way, okay? And a lot of people think you have to signal right because you kind of got to go right over here, but if you're going straight in the intersection, you don't signal right, you just follow this. It's like when there's a curve in the road. You don't have to signal, you just follow the curve in the road. Very simple. If you were turning left, okay, you would approach the intersection, you would signal left, you'd go all the way around, and you'd exit out like that. Very simple. So if there are two cars, and this is why roundabouts are actually great, if there are two cars in the intersection, approaching the intersection, let's say this car right here is turning right, and this car is also turning right, right? So they both have the right signals on. This car is gonna go like this, and this car is gonna go like this at the same time, okay? Let's say two cars approach, they're both going straight. This person is going straight, and this person is going straight. They're gonna go like this, and they're gonna go like this. No signals needed. And the greatest thing about it is that if you do it like that, it's like a regular intersection. And then two people can go at once. Because if I approach the intersection and I plan on going straight, but I'm signaling left, this person's planning on going straight as well, they think I'm gonna go like this. So they wait. Meanwhile, I just go like this, and they just wasted their time, which causes traffic and congestion, which we do not want, okay? All right, I figure, I already drew all over this, might as well ruin it. We do not want that traffic and that congestion. So basically, treat it as if it's a regular intersection. Imagine that there's nothing here. You're gonna signal right if you wanna go right. You're gonna not signal if you're going straight, and then you're gonna signal left. Go all the way around if you're going left. It is that simple. Remember it, it's easy. Treat it as if it's a regular intersection and you'll be good to go. I'm trying to get a hole in this paper, but it's not working. There we go. All right, and that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial, this driving lesson. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos, just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.